It's been years since I had a change. Always a watch out. Lighter to the gasoline. Oh, couldn't hold me. Now I'm living better days. Hot chick in a black Corvette. Like she drove right out of a magazine. And oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my God.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel for yet another video, and today I have a very fun review, a very small but like a very fun review for you guys. So I have a package here with me, and I recently purchased also, and I received, I'm not gonna lie. So I have three Swissbeauty liquid eyeshadows here with me. So I only have three of them with me. I purchased two of these and I got this one in the PR, and I have tried the Smoky Storm and I have tried this champagne. I haven't tried this one yet. So I'm gonna give my honest review for you guys to see how well these liquid eyeshadows work. And I've seen that there are a lot of comparison between these Swissbeauty liquid eyeshadows and also in the one with Stila. I haven't tried the Stila one, so I don't really know how well it works, but coming down to the price of it, this is 200, this retails for 200 rupees. This is from Nykaa, and you guys can also purchase it from Nykaa or from Amazon. I'm here with me, I'm gonna do a swatch review for you guys. And coming down to the okay, so the packaging is very sleek, very beautiful. It's quite a wonderful packaging, and in 200 rupees I think this is a wonderful packaging. And this is, I think, plastic, and you have like, this is like a this is what it comes with. So this is what it looks like from inside, and yeah, so these are really good and compact to carry around. Like if you're looking for something which is not glittery, but you still want to go glam with it, I think this is a definite steal to try out, because this is actually really wonderful product to try. It does not, you have really less amount of time to blend, so this dries out very quickly, but you do need to blend it out from the crease as well as there, so that it's not looking harsh. If you're going for a direct cut crease or anything, definitely go ahead with it. You can also use this as a liner. You can dip or like, you know, use this as a liner also, so you can do that also. If you want to, like, you know, just create some different looks with it, this is a go-to product for you. So yeah, let's get on with the swatches. I have this much of makeup just to show you guys how it would look on eyes, and just to give you a little bit of a demonstration. Okay, so I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to smoke out my outer corners. So I'm just going to take my Makeup Revolution Resurrection palette. I'm just going to take it. I'm just going to start, you know, building up my crease and just blend it out. Okay, so if you are, there are some fallouts, but not a lot. So, and it's totally fine, because in 200 rupees, like, what more do you need? So I'm just going to go over, let's see how well that it stays on. So I'm just going to do a double coat, just to see how well it colors. Okay, so it's not feeling so bad. And then for my inner corners, right here, I'm going to take the champagne color, which is 03. And I'm just going to take this color and I'm just going to apply it a very tiny amount in my inner corners. I have my mascara and my lashes on, So my final word, these liquid eyeshadows, are that these are a definite steal if you are looking for something that's much more on a cheaper version but still works amazing. So I don't find any negative words for it, because it's just an amazing product to work with, and you can definitely experiment with a lot of colors. They have 3 more colors, so I only have 3 of them with me, so that's what I showed you guys. So yeah, if you want to know anything else, if you have anything else in mind, and if you have any other questions regarding this product, then you can definitely ask in the comments down below. And yes, so this is my final look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful, stay confident. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and do let me know in the comments telling me how you like this video. And yeah, so I'll have all my social media links in the description box below, so you guys can go and check it out, and I will see you guys later. Until then, stay beautiful, stay confident. Bye!